Hello guys, welcome back. So this is what we'll be building today, a drawer, in our app. We're showing a drawer in our app, and if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, like this video, and without wasting much time, let's get started. First of all, we're adding a drawer widget inside our scaffold. We actually need this scaffold widget to be able to use the drawer, and with the drawer can use any widget we want. Can use a column, can use a center widget, any widget, but we'll be using the drawer widget so that it will show the normal material drawer in our app. And let's populate this. So we'll be using, for the child, we're using a list view. While we're using the list view, we can use a column, but list view supports scrollable. Once the items are more than the screen, it will be able to scroll. So, and for the children, we'll be using an elder. But before adding the children, you can see the drawer now. You can see how it is. So we'll be adding the children, and for our header, I'm using the drawer header. Okay, and it needs a child actually. So for the child, we'll be using a circle avatar. Circle avatar. Yeah, and then we'll have a child. So that's circle avatar, and for this child, we'll be using the Flutter logo. Okay, I can add a const there, and if we open the drawer now, you can see the circular avatar with the Flutter logo in between. Alright, so let's add some decoration here. Decoration, I'll be using the box decoration. Oops, sorry, we'll be using the box decoration. Alright, and then you can have an image using the decoration image. Now I have an image here already, and if you'll be using an image, you can use a color, but I'll be using an image, so don't forget to add it in your PubSpec, the YAML file. And for the image, you'll be using asset image background image. Okay, and if I run this, you can see that's my background, but it's not filling up the space, so we use the fit and to be box fit dot cover. All right, and yeah, exactly, so the space is filled up now. So I'll change the color of my circular avatar, background color, colors dot white 54. Yeah, change the radius 50. May not really change though, but yeah, 100. All right, 50, and then the Flutter logo. That looks cool. So change the Flutter size of the Flutter logo, and let's wait. Wow. All right, so we have that one there. Now let's add other items to our drawer. So we'll be using list styles, and we need a leading icon, icons dot home. Let's use home here. Okay, and then title, it will be a text of home. Okay, and then on tap function, just to test something out here. All right, so we have this, and let's see the list style. Okay, so that's it is, there it is, and we'll copy and Just paste this a couple of times. Paste, paste. All right, and that would okay. So we have this beautiful layout over here. Our drawer is looking fantastic now. All right, let's change the background color. Colors that I'll be using the amber, and let's see, amber 200. And wow, this really looks nice. This looks nice. All right, so yeah, let's also add more customization. Let's add a feature to the on tap. You can close your drawer when you tap this, and we'll use the navigator dot pop, and it will close the drawer anytime we tap the list tile. Yeah, we can see that, and I just love the way the drawer is easing, just moving out smoothly. It's closing smoothly. So now we want to change the open icon, the drawer open icon, and then using a lead-in for icon button. And now an empty function for now, and the icons dot, I love the Flutter dash, so I'll be using that for this, for the icon button. So now if I save this, I see it there, but now if you press it, nothing happens actually. So we have something called a scaffold dot of context dot open drawer. All right, and now if you save this and open, we are getting some errors. And if you look at the errors here, see that, let me see, scaffold called with a context that does not contain a scaffold. So we need a builder for it, and we need to wrap this in a builder. So we'll wrap our icon button in a builder. Okay, yeah, so we have this, and if I should save this now, wow, now it works. So this is just it about having a drawer in your Flutter app. If you enjoyed this video, a sub will make YouTube algorithm draw out my video to more viewers. And also like this video, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next lesson.